Good morning, guys. It's Mike Phelan. I want to give you a quick update on your house. So, show you what's going on today. We are preparing your foundation to be poured. Thank you. So we did pass our underground plumbing inspection. That's all of the piping in the foundation. I believe we talked about that last week. And one thing that I want to show you that is new as of this week is this trench right here. So what it is all of those white stub ups around there, those are parts of the drainage system for your house, which is called the DWV. And all of that is going to come out here to this line that will then take any sewage or any wastewater out of your house and put it into the main sewer line right there. We do have to leave this uncovered. Reason being is the local water authority has to come out and inspect the slant or the grade or the slope on this to make sure that it is a downward slope going to the main sewer. A couple other things we got going on is the underground plumbing itself. You can see that's all of these vertical stub ups, and then under the ground is all of the horizontal piping. You can't see that anymore because the team is preparing to pour your foundation. But a couple things we want to see on that. You can see this black wrap around the pipes. That's very, very important because it accommodates the small amount of contraction and expansion that occurs between the concrete and the piping. If we don't do that, there's a possibility that those pipes will actually crack, and then we could potentially have a leak. So that's why we look for that. Want to show you too, over here, this tall stack right there, we fill the entire drainage system up with water. We want that because it tests all of the joints, all the seals on all of the joints inside of it's called the underground plumbing, or the DWV. And by holding the water, if the water holds up in that stack, if we maintain the water toward the top of that stack, and you can tell when you shake it if it's full of water, that lets me know that all of the joints that are in here are properly sealed, because we actually block it right here, and that holds the water in there. So if it's holding water there, then that tells me that everything around here is properly sealed. So what's going to happen, these guys are going to finish preparing the foundation and have it up for inspection on Monday. The inspector will come out, and assuming we pass, we could potentially pour your foundation before the end of the week, next week. Guys, that's a lot of information. I tend to just try to give you these updates throughout the build process so that you have, one, hopefully confidence in me as your construction manager that I am doing my job. But two, depending on your background in construction, it may actually be a little bit educational for you, and it helps you to understand all the different stages of production of your home. But like I said, at any time, if you have questions, you want to talk about anything, let me know. And also, if you have any concerns or issues, I want to know about those too, guys. One of the big things throughout this whole process is the trust relationship that we have. And feel free, it doesn't have to be good. It can be good, bad, or ugly. But with anything that might be on your mind, I want to know about it so that we can talk about it. I'm going to leave you with that. If you have any questions, concerns, or issues, let me know. And I hope that you have a great weekend and a happy St. Patrick's Day. Take care.